The health benefits of a lemon and mint drink for weight loss and more, and a recipe to make this yourself at home. 1. Mint is a fragrant green herb which is grown and used all over the world for cooking and natural remedies. Lemons are often used to aid weight loss and boost health and vitality. 2. When these ingredients are blended together to create a special juice, they can be used to detoxify the body and internal organs. This also helps you to lose weight and provide healthy nutrition. 3. Mint contains a natural compound called menthol. This is extremely healthy for the human body and is used to cleanse the digestive system. 4. Lemons have an alkalising effect on the body, which promotes healing and restoration of the millions of cells. 5. In modern times, we tend to eat a lot of unhealthy foods, which are full of toxins and harmful chemicals. By drinking a glass of this juice every day, you can detoxify your body from within, boost energy levels, and have a greater sense of well-being. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 handful of fresh mint leaves, 1/4 of a lemon, 2 inches of sliced cucumber, 2 cups of water, around 500 milliliters. Method: place all of the ingredients in a blender and process until the mixture is smooth. Do not remove the peel from the lemon, as this contains some healthy oils which are great for your health. Sieve the mixture to remove the fibers and drink over a glass of ice cubes. Be sure to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey if you wish to sweeten this drink. 6. The menthol from the mint and citrus from the lemon work together to produce a cooling effect on your body. This is wonderful to drink in the summer when drank over ice. 7. The cucumber provides additional minerals and nutrients, but it is not necessary if you only have mint and lemon. 8. This drink works quickly in hydrating the body due to its concentration of minerals and healthy nutrients. Many people around the world use this after performing a period of fasting, especially in the Middle East. This is where you avoid consuming food and drinks for a certain number of hours. This alone works well to boost digestion and increase your mental focus. 9. This can also help those who are suffering with digestive problems such as constipation, internal gas, GERD, acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, or colic. 10. One of the main benefits of this drink is weight loss. By improving digestion and breaking down food, your body is able to lose weight naturally. 11. This drink is one of nature's most powerful natural medicines to quickly heal cold or flu infections. It also works in bringing down a temperature and has a calming effect on the central nervous system. 12. Try drinking 1 cup of this mint and lemon juice to get rid of a headache. Drinking this helps you to breathe easier by opening the airways. This increases blood flow and gets rid of headaches. 13. It is also helpful to those who suffer with bronchitis, asthma, or other respiratory ailments. 14. You can store this in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 days, but it is best when made fresh. The active components and enzymes break down after a certain period of time. 15. To learn more about the health benefits of mint and lemons, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.